If you want to grow lush indoor plants to give your home a jungle vibe, then you need to hang, spill, or display them in a particular manner that gives a dense look to the space. For this, you need the right set of plants, and we'll help you pick them. Number 1. Pothos. The best thing about Pothos is you can train it in any shape, and it will be more than happy to climb up the walls or shelves, bringing a lush tropical jungle look to the space. You can also mix and match different types of pothos to bring that forest look indoors. Number 2. Maidenhair vine. For bringing lush green and jungle vibes to the space, growing maidenhair vine is the best bet. It's easy to maintain and achieves its dense look in no time. You can have this plant in hanging baskets or group them together for that classy boho green look with its wire-like stems and little oval-shaped leaves. Number 3. Hoya. The lush green leaves of Hoya look adorable in any home decor style. There are also various types to choose from, which can be trained in different ways to achieve that jungle look indoors. Keep this classy plant away from direct sunlight and give it an east or west exposure. Number 4. Ivy. Ivy can climb gracefully to any place or wall where you would want it. It's fairly easy to maintain and grows rapidly, perfect for anyone seeking to add a forest-like look to the space. Train it on the ceiling and walls to cover the room completely. It will surely add that typical jungle look to the place. Number 5. Philodendron. Like Pothos, it's a wonderful contender to make your room look like a part of the forest. Train it to climb over walls, windows, cabinets, shelves, or ceilings, and soon it will spread its stems and leaves all over. The plant tolerates low light like a champ and gets better and lush with a little pruning. Number 6. Yew pine. In favorable conditions, yew pines perform well indoors as long as they get plenty of light to thrive. In that case, the plant can grow into enormous and bushy proportions, rendering a typical jungle look to the room. Use rich, well-draining soil and prune it from time to time to give it the desired shape, or train it to grow into the way and shape of your liking. Number 7. Swiss cheese plant. The large-cut foliage of this plant can make any room look like a part of a tropical jungle. To make a bold impression, grow 2 to 4 plants together in a room, and soon it will take over the wall or ceiling. Just ensure it gets plenty of bright and indirect light for most of the day. Number 8. Fiddle leaf fig. This plant needs no introduction and is one of the boldest contenders in the houseplant space all over the world. If you have a big room, grow 2 to 3 plants together, turning the place into a boho jungle. The best part, it's fairly easy to look after. Number 9. Umbrella tree. If you want to bring a subtle jungle vibe to the room without overdoing it, then this must be your pick. It can be trained to grow upwards with the help of a support and looks gorgeous with its slender leaves, bringing a lush tropical look to the space. Medium light is what it needs, and a spot near the window would be fine. Number 10. Natal mahogany. What sets this plant apart is its glossy and dark green leaves, which can instantly give a jungle vibe. If you want to make a lasting impression, it would be a great idea to pair it with other plants on this list for a complete forest-like look indoors. Number 11. Elephant ear. With leaves so big and wide, all you need is a single elephant ear plant in your room to have that forest vibe indoors. The secret of making its foliage really big lies in the right balance of light, so you need to have a room that stays naturally bright during most hours of the day because it can't grow in low light. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.